Okay, this is how to be an ally. This is what it means to be an ally. So, in this conversation about race, we have, again, our black friends, fellow citizens, right now in pain, talking about what's going on. What does it mean to be an ally? It means, as a white person, to speak. You don't have to be an activist, in air quotes, but to say, you know what, this is happening, let's come together and change it. That's my hand. This is happening, let's come together and change it. Because the reality is, the burden should not always fall on a person of color, okay, to be the one to say, hey, you know what, this isn't right. That's truly being an ally, being an advocate. And it's not in a condescending way, it's not in a patronizing way, paternalistic way. It's side by side, standing together and just speaking as a human being, as a white person and a human being. That's what it means to be an ally, to me, in my opinion. Is stand, be a friend, speak. Peace.